Welcome back once again. Our today's topic is Python Pandas data frame. So let us start. First of all, what is data frame? Data frame is nothing but a two-dimensional size mutable, potentially heterogeneous tabular data structure which labeled axes, that is rows and columns. Data frame has two indices, one for row and another for column. Each index can be comprised of number, alphabet or string as mentioned above. The data across column can be of different type. Also you can add or delete rows and column in a data frame. In a nutshell, you can say that data frame is a implementation of table. Implementation of table in Python. You can work on tabular data just like Microsoft Excel in Python using data frame. Okay. Likewise, Excel, as in Excel, rows and column can be implemented, calculated, and much more operations we will learn in data frame using Python. First of all, creating data frame using dictionary. You have learned how to create dictionary in class 11. Now we will learn with the help of dictionary how to create data frame. Here we have D1 a dictionary in which we have three columns: roll number, name and marks. In roll number is stored 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, and in name column Pat, Sid, Tom, Kim or Ray. Whatever name you want to store it, you can write down simply, no problem at all. In marks, simply write down mark separated by comma. So we have three columns, okay, and five rows. Okay, so we have created a dictionary named D1, named D1, and after creating a dictionary, you can use PD, that is Pandas object for data frame, and data frame Pandas object is a function that is used to create a data frame. Okay, df d1 using dictionary. So df1, a data frame object, will be created with the help of data frame function, and the argument passed in it, that is d1. Okay, d1, what is d1? D1 here is a dictionary. Okay, when you will run, and the data frame 1 will be printed just like that: roll number, name and marks. Here you can see it. Okay, or here this is default our index 0 1 2 3 4. This is index start from 0. Okay, you can change your index according to you. It will be comes later on. So here you can see how data frame will be created in how data frame can be created in Python. Okay, now how to define your own index in data frame. In previous example we have seen the default index was 0 1 2 3 4. The same example here, and from previous example we have seen here 0 1 2 3 4. Here you can say that A B C. You can define here index. The rest of things are same, only the change is this index, user defined index. If you do not mention in it, then it will use default index, that is 0 1 2 3 4. If you use index and in list, you can define your or index. It may be ABC, it may be 1 2 3, it may be first second third fourth, whatever you want to mention in it, doesn't matter. Okay, here you have we have mentioned A B C D and E. So here when you will run this code, you will see here A B C D E, the rest of thing just like previous example. Okay, so in this manner you can define your own index in data frame. That's it. Next, data creating data frame using list of dictionaries. Now we want to create a data frame with the help of list of dictionary. It means that we have dictionary, okay, or in dictionaries we make a list, okay, and then you will create a data frame. Here you can see that import pandas spd. Here first dictionary is first name Umaid, last name Ali. The two columns here. This is our first list. Okay, this is our first dictionary, and second dictionary is first name Ajay, last name Kumar, third name Madhur, God. So here we have three dictionaries, and in combined you can see here a square bracket, or square bracket is used for list. The square bracket is used for list and curly bracket is used for dictionary. In nutshell, you can say that we have combined three dictionary in a single list. Okay, then after creating this list, you can create it data frame. Okay, simply data frame PD, here a PD object, and data frame, the function of data frame which is used to create data frame. Okay, and D, that is list. Okay, when you will print the data frame, it will show you data frame like in previous example. Okay, in later video I will show you how to run this program. Every program we will create a separate file and a clear demo so that you can understand well. Okay, next one, after dictionary and list, we can also create data frame using series. Okay, so let us see how to create series. You know very well that we can create series with the help of list also. Okay, we have a list, okay, in which we store soccer, volleyball, okay, music, dance. These are hobbies. Or here index, Namit, Ram, Hari and Vishnu. Here is the index. So you can see that there is one list for your series and its index is Namit, Ram, Hari and Vishnu. Okay. If you will omit this name, it will automatically show 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, just like that. Okay. So here you can create a data frame using series. In this you will create first series and then you will create data frame. Okay, here one series, okay, here second series, then these two series combine in a dictionary and dictionary will create a data frame. Let us see steps again. first of all import pandas, then create two series, hobby and marks. Okay, then combine these two series into a dictionary. Okay, into a dictionary, then the dictionary will create a data frame. After completion of this program code, when you will run, you will see this output. Here index Namit, Ram, Hari and Vishnu, hobbies में soccer, volleyball, music and dance, and marks में 80, 75, 90, 88. Okay, in this manner you can create data frame using series. Okay, as you know, series is one dimensional. Series is one dimensional data structure, one dimension array, and it can store similar item. Okay, that's why we have to create two series, one for string and another for integer numbers. Then we'll combine in a dictionary and then we create it as a data frame. Okay, next, iterating over a data frame. Iterating means how you will view the data frame. The data frame may be viewed as a row wise or column as a horizontal or vertical. Okay, horizontal manner or vertical manner. Okay, so let us see the program code. Here is horizontal subset of row. In this manner, a data frame. Here, this is a list of complete record. Vivek, male, 80, 75, 98, suppose 3 subjects marks, that province marks, then Priyanka. Okay, that's it. Then index S1 yani student 1, student 2 and student 3. Column name, you can define it, name, gender, accountancy, business study or informatic practices. Now you can see that print data frame, it will print simple data frame. Then you can print it one by one row. One by one row. Okay. So in this manner you can see it with the help of for loop. For row index के अंदर आप student 1 का row, 2 का row and 3 का row, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. In this manner you can display the thing. I will show you in next video how to run it. Then after this you can also use as a vertical subset of columns. In this manner you will see the output in column wise. Okay, the program code, that is data frame, first of create is data frame, then print it and then column index according to the column index with the help of for loop you can do it. Okay, next, select operation in data frame. Select operation means a particular column value you want to display on the screen. Okay, so first of all create a dictionary, list of dictionary, then create a data frame. First of all print data frame, it will show the complete data frame in this manner. Name, first name, 0, 1, 2, here these 3 names. Then display first name, it will show only first name, 0, 1, 2, Umed, Ajay, Madhur. Then print last name. This is selection, how to select particular column. Okay, Ali, Kumar, Gaur. Okay, So in this manner, you can select particular column in data frame. You can perform select operation in it. Okay. Next, rename columns in data frame. Once you have created columns in data frame, then you can also rename it. Here we have created column first name and last name, and you can rename these columns F name and L name. Here we have given first name, last name. After creating this data frame, you can rename it with the help of df dot column, or here you can rename this column. Then you will print, you will see in first run you will see first name, last name, and second run after renaming this column you will see the F name and L name. In this manner you can change the name of columns in your data frame. Okay. Next one, operation on rows and column. Once you have created data frame, then you can add rows and columns in it. You can also delete rows and columns from data frame. Okay. So let us see this operation. First of all, adding columns in data frame. Here list of dictionary, list of list. Here create a data frame. Okay, in which store 90 के लिए A, 75 for B, 60 for C, and 45 for D. Or index excellent, very good, good, and average. Any 90 for excellent, 75 for very good, 60 for good, and 45 for average. Here in you want to add now column in it. First method, according to this, you want to add a new column, that is result. In this you can add pass, 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 and last one fail. Okay. In second method you can use location student. Here you can add the name of student. Here there is no student name, here you can see it. Using this method you can add a student column in it. Here result column added, here student column added in data frame. In third manner, father's name is added. So here we use simple result column name. Here we use location student. Okay, to assigning, or third method using assign. In these three manner you can add columns in data frame. Okay. Deleting column from data frame. For deletion of column data frame you can use del function, del command. For in method first, for example, we have these columns marks and grade, marks and grade, and in first method we want to delete it. So simply write down del and df data frame from data frame, or in a square bracket you can write column name which you want to delete it. And after running this program you will see that the grade column will be finished. Okay. The second method for using drop. So you can also delete data frame with the help of drop function. Okay. So Here first you have created a data frame, then according to second method df यानी data frame dot drop, ब्रैकेट के अंदर आपने इसमें कॉलम का नाम लिखा कॉमा एक्सेस 1. In this manner you can also delete the grade column. This is our second method. Okay, or this is our third method. In third method you can use drop function. In drop function columns is equal to column name. Okay, in this slight difference, the thing is same. You want to delete a particular column and you can delete what in using one of three method. It is simple. Okay, you can remember this function. It may be asked in multiple choice questions also, or in fill in the blanks also. So that's it's rest of things are same, just here we are change have slight change in methods only, rest of things are same. Okay, now deleting row from data frame. So here you can delete complete row, or in row for you can define the complete rows in text. Okay, it will delete the incomplete row. Okay, which row you want to delete. Understand? Here df.drop index columns excellent or very good. The rows delete the in which it have excellent or very good. This row will be deleted. Okay, so excellent here 90A, it will delete, or very good here 75B. These two rows will be deleted. Okay, in this manner you can delete row for particular data frame. Understand? Now use of head and tail function. You will see what is the head function, what is the tail function. The head function simply is used to display top 5 rows from a data frame. Suppose you have 10 rows in a particular data frame, and when you will use head function, simple head, then it will display first 5 rows. Tail function, it will display last 5 rows. If you will specify particular argument, here you can see for top 2 rows you can specify 2. It will show the top 2 rows from a data frame, and in tail you will see bottom 2 rows from a data frame. So the tail and head and tail function is used to display top and bottom rows is in a specified manner, either 5 or as per your specification, whichever you want. Okay, so now see next is exporting data frame to a CSV file. Now the question is, what is CSV file? CSV means comma separated value file. CSV file is a very lightweight storage for our data frame, and you can say that external storage from data set. So far we have discussed data frame. It is stored into computer memory. Now you want to store it to your secondary memory, that is your hard disk, in the form of file that can be opened in notepad or in Excel file, so you can store it permanently in your computer's hard drive. Permanent means जब तक आप डिलीट न कर दो, अदरवाइज परमानेंट कोई चीज नहीं होती इस दुनिया में, यू नो वेरी वेल. ओके, सो इंपोर्ट पांडास पीडी. ये आपने एक डेटा फ्रेम बनाया जिसके अंदर आपने 3 डिक्शनरी को कंबाइन किया है और एक ये डेटा फ्रेम बन गया है. इसमें 3 रिकॉर्ड स्टोर है. ओके, अब इसके अंदर ये df डॉट टू अंडरस्कोर CSV ये फंक्शन है और इसके अंदर मैंने ये लिखा है ई डबल स्लैश के बाद माई पाइथन फिर डबल स्लैश के बाद mm.csv. जब मैं इसको रन करूंगा तो ये एक डेटा फ्रेम क्रिएट होगा जिसके अंदर 3 रिकॉर्ड्स होंगे. वो 3 रिकॉर्ड्स राइट हो जाएंगे ई ड्राइव के माई पाइथन फोल्डर के mm.csv फाइल के अंदर. और एक बार जब ये राइट हो गया, इसके बाद आप ई ड्राइव पे जाके माई पाइथन फोल्डर खोलेंगे तो उसमें आपको mm.csv फाइल नजर आएगी, जिसको आप डबल क्लिक करके खोलेंगे तो ये माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल के अंदर आराम से खुल जाएगा और जो रिकॉर्ड आप स्क्रीन के ऊपर देख रहे हो ये उस फाइल के अंदर नजर आएगा. ठीक है, तो CSV फाइल के ऊपर हमने और भी डिटेल डिस्कशन करनी है फाइल हैंडलिंग के दौरान. ठीक है, तो उसमें 3 तरह की फाइल हैंडलिंग हम पढ़ेंगे, टेक्स्ट फाइल, बाइनरी फाइल और CSV फाइल. तो उसमें इसका और डिस्कशन आ जाएगा, लेकिन यहाँ सिंपली आप ये देखिए कि किस तरह से जो डेटा है वो CSV फाइल में राइट हो रहा. ठीक है, तो इसको मैं प्रैक्टिकली आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में रन करके दिखाऊंगा. ओके, अब चलिए आगे देखते हैं कि पिछली स्टेप में हमने देखा था कि फाइल CSV फाइल में डेटा किस तरह से राइट किया जाता है. अब आपके पास डेटा CSV फाइल में अवेलेबल है, उसको आप पाइथन प्रोग्राम में कैसे रीड करोगे. उसके लिए हमारे पास ये फंक्शन है read_csv. तो इसमें वही हम पाथ देंगे जहां पर हमने mm.csv अपनी फाइल अभी क्रिएट करके रखी है. तो इस पिछले प्रोग्राम के द्वारा हमने फाइल क्रिएट की थी, स्टोर हुई थी कंप्यूटर हार्ड डिस्क के अंदर. अब जो कंप्यूटर हार्ड डिस्क के ई ड्राइव के अंदर जो mm.csv फाइल आपने रखी हुई है उसको हम रीड कर रहे हैं पाइथन प्रोग्राम में. तो इसका कंप्लीट पाथ है वो आप स्पेसिफाई कर रहे हैं. तो इसी तरह से कोई भी अगर आपका फोल्डर है जिसमें आप कोई XYZ कोई भी फाइल नेम आप CSV फाइल नेम उसमें से रीड करवाना चाहते हैं, इन दिस मैनर यू कैन डू इट, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. ठीक है, तो जब आप इसको रन करेंगे तो ये रिजल्ट आपको नजर आएगा. ठीक है जी, तो ये हमारा था CSV फाइल. So in this manner we have so far discussed data frame in nutshell. I hope you understand, and in next video we will have a practical session in which we will run all these programs which we have explained in this PowerPoint presentation, and after this we will have a class test on data frame. Okay, thank you very much. Wish you all the best. Bye.